6 ruthless moments of animals eating their prey alive. We all know that animals prey on different things. From plants to other animals to humans, they eat about everything. However, it is not often you get to see a predator in action. If you've always wanted to see an animal preying on another one, you're watching the right clip. In this countdown, you will get to see 6 ruthless moments of animals eating their prey alive. So without any further ado, let's begin. Number 1. Heron versus turtles. Heron is an animal that many of you may find friendly. However, when it comes to prey, they're ruthless. Here you can see a heron picking a turtle from a marsh. It first tries to break its shell, but soon the heron realizes that it's not possible. This is why it swallows the turtle whole. Heron requires more food than just one turtle, which is why it didn't stop at just one. Number 2. Ants versus lizard. Lizards do not harm humans much, but they annoy us by creeping into our homes. When you try to kill a lizard, it takes a lot of force and effort. But for these ants, it was a piece of cake. This lizard was enjoying its day by sitting on a leaf when this army of ants showed up. While they may be small, the number does matter when it comes to eating prey. No matter how tiny the predator is, this fight is 1 against 100. Firefly ants are unlike other small animals. They are as ferocious as a lizard. This is why they can tackle them easily, as you can see in this clip. Number 3. Shark versus parrotfish. The white shark is a ferocious predator that many animals are afraid of, and for good reason. This is because the shark searches for prey using bioelectrical activity. It is why the sharks rarely miss their mark. Meanwhile, the parrotfish is one of the smartest marine animals, as it can conceal itself easily because of its small size. This is why a battle between a shark and a parrotfish is exciting. When a shark first moves around a region parrotfish is hiding in, it doesn't notice it. However, after a second round, the animal knows that prey is near. This is why it does all the struggle to find it, as you can see. It's only a matter of time that the parrotfish will give up on saving itself. Number 4. Wolves versus deer. This is a combination that is exciting to watch. After all, wolves are one of the strongest animals out there. In this clip, you can see a buck being chased by a pack of wolves. The buck jumps into the water to get the wolves to back off, but instead of giving up, they jump after it. Not only that, but they managed to kill the deer finally, so it wasn't a smart move to go into the water after all. Number 5. Komodo dragon versus monkey. If there is one fact about the Komodo dragon that everyone knows, it is that the animal never gives up on prey. For this mammal, it is either kill or get killed. There is no middle ground. This clip shows you a Komodo preying on a street monkey. A chase has led them to a fence on which the monkey has jumped. However, the height of the fence doesn't stop the Komodo from bringing down the animal. It gets a hold of the monkey and slams it against the floor to munch on it. Soon after, other friends of the Komodo dragon also join it. Suffice to say, the monkey suffered a painful death. Number 6. Polar bear versus beluga. The polar bear is also called the sea bear because it spends most of its life around water. This is why it is not uncommon for it to find marine prey. In this shot, it is clear that the polar is hunting a beluga. Within no time, the bear captures the beluga, and now the only thing it has to do is take it to a safe place. It is to note that polar bears do not feast in water, especially when there's a chance of getting hunted. These are the top 6 ruthless moments of animal eating their prey alive. If you're interested in more similar videos, please click on subscribe and the bell icon to get notified when we upload our next post.